So in this video we will tell about the first week of development. Okay, complete first week of development, so you have to watch it completely. First of all, there is all the process that occur in the first week. You have to understand that we have to tell about the gametogenesis. That what is gametogenesis? Okay, and what is the spermatogenesis? What is the gametogenesis? What is the spermatogenesis? What is the gametogenesis and what is the spermatogenesis? And after that we will talk about the meiosis, mitosis. Okay, we will tell all things about this. So spermatogenesis is and after that we will talk about the spermiogenesis and gametogenesis and oogenesis. After uterus, uterine tube and ovaries, female reproductive cycle, ovarian cycle, and menstrual cycle. Okay, and after menstrual cycle, transportation of gametes, maturation of sperm and viability of gamete, fertilization, cleavage of zygote, formation of blastocysts. So we will tell all things in this lecture. So we will ask all things about this. Now, first of all, we tell about the gametogenesis. What is gametogenesis? Gametogenesis is actually the formation of gametes, okay, from the sex cells, from the six primary cells, okay. So, in gametogenesis, the number of chromosome become half, okay. And you have to understand that what is chromosome? Chromosome is the presence of centromere. Constricted part of chromosome is called centromere. For example, this is the constricted part of chromosome, and this is like a chromatid. This is chromatid, and this is the constricted part of chromosome. So now this is called chromosome. One chromosome and one chromatid. If this is the constricted part and there are two chromatid attached to here, so here you can see that there are one centromere. So it is one chromosome but two chromatid. You have to understand about the chromosome. This is one chromosome. This is also one chromosome. Okay, but this is one chromatid. This is a two chromatid. Okay, so constricted part of centromere. Constricted part of chromosome is called centromere. So one chromosome is that which have only one centromere. Now it decrease the chromosome number to half. Before DNA replication, if you there is DNA replication S space. DNA replication occur in the S space. Okay, so chromosome single chromatid. Before DNA replication, the chromosome are single chromatid. For all chromosome exist like this single chromatid. Okay, this is one chromosome and one chromatid. After DNA replication, for example, if there are one chromosome, the DNA replication, the number of chromosome remains same. That it is one here also one, but the amount of DNA is increased. That is two chromosomes. So you have to understand that in first meiosis or S phase, the amount of DNA increases. In which phase? In the S phase. Okay. So after that, this is called all about the gametogenesis. We will tell about the meiosis and meiosis. Okay, now meiosis have actually two mitotic division. Meiosis have two mitotic division. One is meiosis 1 and another is meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 is the DNA replication step. Actually, the DNA replication step. And meiosis 2 is same like meiosis 1, but it have not DNA replication step. Meiosis 1 have one extra step, that is DNA replication, and DNA replication increase is the amount of DNA, mean increase the chromatid numbers. Okay, so first of all, meiosis, there are diploid number of chromosomes, they become haploid in meiosis 1 by first of all, in propase, the pairing of homologous chromosome occur. Homologous chromosome are two chromosome, same chromosome, there are two chromosome, one from mother and one from father, that are called homologous chromosome. In anapase, the segregation of homologous chromosome occur. Okay, there are two in two pairs, one in propase pairing of homologous chromosome and a pair segregation of analogous chromosome. Another is X and Y. X and Y are not homologous, but there are, for example, this is X and Y. They are not homologous, but they have homologous segment present. There are homologous segment at the tip of the short arm have homologous homologous segment. Okay, at the end of meiosis 1, when meiosis 1 completed, the secondary spermatocyte or oocyte, they form secondary spermatocyte or oocyte. Secondary spermatocyte or oocyte. Okay, secondary spermatocyte oocyte, and secondary spermatocyte or oocyte have half number of chromosome. Actually, it have half number of chromosome. You have to understand this. Now, this is about the meiosis, and meiosis occur in the meiosis. We have think about the meiosis. Okay. Now again, after meiosis, there are spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Meiosis occur in the sperm and also in the formation of the sperm and also in the formation of oocyte. Okay, so meiosis is just like common for both of them. And spermatogenesis. Now we will tell about the spermatogenesis.